I want to show you how to cut screws with with your wire stripper. Now, usually when you do wiring, sometimes the screws are too long. This is a common screw that you would use in wiring work. And these holes here are the holes that you use to screw your screw into. Now, if you can screw it into one of them holes, you can cut it and make it shorter. Okay, so what you want to do is line it up so you can see through the holes. Screw in there. You might have to move this around a little bit, you know, and get it to go through. Okay, there it goes. Okay, you want to shorten it. So this is a Craftsman, by the way. So this is a pretty good one. I mean, you can buy cheaper ones, but if you're going to buy one of these, buy a good one. It also strips wire, it also crimps, and it does a lot of things, but I mainly use it to cut screws, mainly for doing wiring work. So, but that's what that's for. So anyway, you screw that in there, and then you just give it a squeeze, and there you have it. I bring it back a little bit. Should have a screwdriver with me, but sorry about that. So your screws in there, I couldn't get it out with my hand, but you go and unscrew it. And there you have it. You just made your screw a lot shorter. And this happens often doing wiring. That's why they have this available to cut your screws. Mainly for wiring purposes, but for anything really. Then you have you can screw it in there and you can cut it. So there you have it. And the bottom part of the screw, that just goes ahead and falls out, and you made it shorter. Very nice tool to have. So if you didn't know what these are for, you know what they're for now, and they come in handy when you're doing wiring. Thank you.